The Kasa Smart? The Philips Hue or Wyze bulb color? Perhaps the Govee Smart or the Sengled color changing? Which one should you buy? In this video, we will be looking at the top 5 smart bulbs available in the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best smart bulbs. The 5th product on this list is the Wyze bulb color. A smart bulb is an internet-capable LED light bulb that allows lighting to be customized, scheduled, and controlled remotely. The Wyze bulb is made to enhance the way you live each moment, and some moments require bold, expressive colors. Other times demand subtle, supportive light. We like that this bulb gives you a full complement of colors to turn moments into memories. This bulb is highly adaptable and can be brightened or dimmed up to 1100 lumens with a wide-ranging output that's as intense or as subtle as you need. Another advantage is that it is certified for safety, is struggle-free, tinker-free, and stress-free with no patience required. Whether it is game day or wine night, you can control the light with the precise color control in the Wyze app that lets you turn moments into memories. Create custom presets to instantly change scenes with just a tap. The white light temperature cools it down and helps to focus or warm it up and relax. The dedicated white light controls let you choose the perfect setting for your activity. Furthermore, shine a brighter light on important reminders. Create time-based color events, or automate using other Wyze devices to create powerful visual notifications in the app. This is a great option if you're looking to take another step toward the future. Its pros are, it has a wide range of lumen levels, its precise color control lets you choose from 16 million shades to fit the mood, and you can create time-based color events or automate using other Wyze devices. However, sometimes the app is unnecessarily complicated. The Wyze bulb color is fantastic for anyone who loves to switch up the mood of their home on the fly. Up next in 4th place is the Sengled color changing. This is a bright A19 bulb with multicolor capabilities that work seamlessly with Alexa, smart devices to offer beautiful lighting throughout your home. We like that it has Bluetooth mesh technology. Each color changing light bulb acts as a range extender, which enables simple whole home installation. With BLE mesh, you can now do a whole home installation, no longer limited by Bluetooth's shorter range. We find that the Alexa light bulb conforms to Amazon's simple setup for a struggle-free, tinker-free, and stress-free setup experience. Another advantage is that it is an ultra-simple plug-and-play setup. Simply twist in the Sengled smart light bulbs and start enjoying Alexa smart devices in seconds. Turn the color-changing light bulb on or off, dim, brighten, set up a routine, schedule, and more. It has high brightness with 800 lumens, making it great for parties, entertaining, and everyday use. We particularly like that it has voice control with Alexa, which allows you to use it hands-free to turn it on, off, or adjust the brightness. Furthermore, you can also use voice via smart home devices to use advanced features like wake-up routine or away mode. Lastly, home installations are pretty much effortless, making them more convenient to use in every room. Its pros are, it has voice control that allows you to control it from anywhere. It has Bluetooth low energy mesh technology to sync your whole home and all your devices. And its plug-in and go design makes it simple to install. However, Alexa software updates can cause them to become unresponsive, which is irritating. The Sengled color-changing bulbs are super easy to use and help make your whole home a smart tech haven. Still haven't found a smart bulb that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the Govee Smart. This next smart bulb is designed to let you take a picture or keep the camera focusing on an object to choose a specific color that you can then apply to your Bluetooth light bulb. We like that this means you can infinitely personalize your Govee multicolor bulbs with more than 16 million colors and a monochrome palette. The smart bulb lights can change colors according to the rhythm of music and can be connected via Bluetooth, which pairs the LED light bulb with the Govee Home app to allow you to simultaneously control the lights of multiple RGB light bulbs. Another advantage is that you can set your color-changing LED bulb to turn on or off at a specific time. We especially liked the sunrise mode, which helps you wake up more naturally in winter, and the sunset mode, which gradually darkens the bulb to help you sleep. Moreover, this 7-watt LED bulb's brightness is equivalent to a 60-watt incandescent, saving you 90% on lighting costs. Lastly, with this unit, you never have to get out of bed to turn the light off again. No more frustrating feeling of knowing you have to get back up after you just got comfortable. Its pros are, it can change colors according to the rhythm, it has a vast range of color options, and it can be controlled with an app, which makes it easy for you to use. However, it does not save settings when turning off the lights. The Govee Smart is a fantastic device with enough uses to be handy in everyday life. The second product on this list is the Kasa Smart LB110. Control your lighting from anywhere with the Kasa Smart. This handy little unit installs as easily as a standard light bulb and connects to your home Wi-Fi in no time through the free Kasa app. Kasa also lets you manage your lights with your smartphone or tablet, including adjusting brightness, setting schedules and scenes, and tracking energy use. We also found that for added convenience, you can use your voice to control the LB110 when paired with smart devices. It has voice control that works with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Microsoft Cortana supported devices for a hands-free experience. Another advantage is that you can turn your electronics on or off from anywhere using your smartphone using the Kasa app. This can be very beneficial if you're on a vacation and want to simulate there being someone home to deter thieves. Additionally, these lights are dimmable. You can lower the brightness to customize lighting and suit your mood between 1 and 800 lumens. What's more, it is compatible with the standard light bulb fitting, so you can use it in any room. Lastly, we like that the soft light coloring, more of a yellow hue, is easier to look at and makes rooms feel cozier. Its pros are, it is easy to install, which saves you time. It has adjustable brightness that can set the mood, and it can be remotely controlled from pretty much anywhere in the world as long as you have an internet connection. However, there's no option for other colors. The Kasa Smart LB110 is a very functional product and is an ideal smart bulb for daily use. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top smart bulb is the Philips Hue BR30. Light up your house or room with any color imaginable. With the Philips Smart Bulb, you can set the mood for a date at home, have the lights going for a party, or even have a Christmas feel in seconds. With the Philips Hue BR30, you have 16 million colors at your fingertips. We love that it can work with other smart devices you may already own, such as Alexa, Philips Hue Hub, Apple HomeKit, or Google Assistant. Pair it up with your existing devices and you will have voice activation and a whole array of options. You can put your lights on timers to make it appear that someone is home and you're out. Moreover, the light can also be dimmed to add even more ways for you to customize the way your home is lit. Smart lighting is fantastic, and being able to remotely control the color and brightness of your light is one of the most valuable things you have in your home. These LED hue bulbs can pump out 630 lumens and produce colors contained in the entire 2000 to 6500 K temperature range. Furthermore, it has new bulbs that mimic the omnidirectional shine of standard A-series bulbs. Lastly, we love that it is easy to set up so you can have your smart home ready to go in no time. Its pros are, it works with most home smart devices, it has over 16 million colors to choose from, it's made to a very high standard so it will last longer, and it has voice activation options, which allows you to be hands-free. However, it only goes up to 650 lumens, so a single bulb probably won't be bright enough for a large room. The Philips Hue BR30 is a brilliant smart bulb that provides a reliable way to customize the light in your home while connecting effortlessly to other devices. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.